Binance, Bybit, FTX, and KuCoin are the best crypto futures trading platforms if you want to go ahead and day trade crypto. They let you go long and short, trade with leverage, and have lower trading fees than the spot market as well. I'm going to go through the fees of each, some of the standout features, and then which one you should choose dependent on which country you're in or the type of trader that you are. So check out the timestamps for each of the different sections down in the description. The main thing we all want to know though is how much does it cost to actually trade on these platforms. So I've just compared them here for you. I'll get myself out of the way. You can see these trading fees. Now these are the headline rates, but also they actually give you a lot of discounts as well. They have VIP, which is where you trade a lot and then you get a further discount. And there are also other discounts if you have the exchange token on most of these platforms. So like you can see here, Bybit are actually really cheap and they have maker and taker fees, right? So if you're a taker, that means if you take other people's liquidity, you pay a bit more. And you can see that that's actually the same on most of the platforms right here. If you are a maker of liquidity down here, that is if you put your orders on the book and let other people trade them, then you get a much cheaper rate on most of the platforms. So what you can see is that you get discounts if you trade or have the exchange token. So I'm just going to go over right here and show you. So this is Binance. You can see the trading fees right here, very, very low. And then if you have BNB, you get a 10% discount. Plus, the more that you trade, obviously, the bigger the discount that you get. Same for FTX. The more that you trade, 30-day trading volume, you get discounts. And if you have FTT token, you get further discounts there. On KuCoin, if you have their exchange token, KCS, you get some discounts plus, level 1, 2, 3, which is basically the same as VIP. And then the same for Bybit as well. Dependent on how much you trade, you get further discounts. So as you can see here, I would say Binance super cheap, FTX super cheap, Bybit as well. If you're a maker of liquidity, you're just getting a really, really low fee as well. So all of them are low. Definitely Bybit, Binance, FTX, take it here. But obviously it depends on your trading volume. Apart from trading fees, some of the platforms actually give deposit bonuses as well when you sign up. So I'll quickly go over those. Now, Bybit actually offer up to $4,000 as a deposit bonus. I'll leave all of the links to these platforms in the description so you can see the deposit bonuses or offers and obviously sign up for the accounts. Up to $4,000 on Bybit essentially means that they'll give you a percentage of what you deposit on the platform as a bonus in your futures trading account, all the way up to 4,000. KuCoin, no bonuses. They do sometimes run offers, but it's not a long-standing offer, so I haven't put anything there. Binance, also the same. They actually give you up to $50 if you sign up and then make some deposits as well and go ahead with your first trade. That's not in your futures account. That will be in your spot account though. And then as you can see with FTX, they actually give you a 5% discount on all fees if you have a referral link. So obviously I'll leave that in the description. You don't have to use that, but you do have to use a link, but they'll give you a 5% permanent discount on all of your trading fees. So good to watch out for. If you want to deposit either fiat currency or cryptocurrency onto these platforms, they're definitely very different in the way that they support this, so I'll go through them now. Binance obviously is the biggest exchange worldwide, and so it supports futures, but also has a massive spot trading platform as well, bigger than the rest in terms of what products and coins that they actually offer. I'm talking about Binance.com here and not Binance.us. Binance.us is definitely, a kind of shaved down version of the .com version, and that goes for FTX.us versus FTX.com as well. So obviously just, see the differences there. I'm talking more about the .com versions. The .us versions obviously have very good support for putting, US dollars onto your account, but the futures trading and some of the altcoins are just not supported. So obviously you have to give that up. With Bybit, actually, you can use a card to deposit, but there is no banking support right now, which is a little bit of a letdown. So you can't have a direct bank transfer on there. What a lot of people do is essentially go and have an account with Bybit or FTX or something like that, get their fiat currency on there, and then just do a cryptocurrency trade. So they actually get the crypto straight onto Bybit. It has lower fees if you're a maker basically, and you get the bonus. So a lot of people do that. With KuCoin, you can use card. If you use euros, you can also use SEPA transfer. But other than that, banking support isn't great. Again, people use other options like even Coinbase or something with good fiat support, and then, get the do the exchange and then get the USDT or Bitcoin that they want to trade onto those platforms. In terms of Binance, amazing banking support. They had their GBP taken away last year, but they've basically got that back now. So if you're in the UK, you can deposit sterling very easily and even US dollars, not euros though. If you are in Europe, you can deposit via SEPA. If you're in the UK, you can use faster payments. And then if you're in the US, obviously wire transfers, but you'll be using Binance.us. With FTX have absolutely fantastic fiat currency support. support for all of the major currencies and all of the major payment gateways. So Wire, faster payments, SEPA, local bank transfers in most countries. FTX have incredible fiat support in terms of deposits as well. So they're very good to go to if you really are looking for the best fiat support overall. Before I compare the trading platforms, it's good to know how to withdraw crypto and fiat currencies from these platforms as well. So I'll just show you this. Bybit, again, fiat, no good. Crypto, very, very good. If you want to withdraw cryptocurrency from Bybit, you get very low fees. You'll basically be paying the blockchain fee, which is going to be low most of the time. So that's very good. Binance, obviously, withdrawing fiat is very easy. Crypto, they seem to make it more expensive than it should be on most cryptocurrencies, which is slightly annoying. But for the most part, they've been getting a little bit better and actually reducing some of these fees. So if you want to transfer crypto out, there are options to have it very low cost. But if you're using Ethereum, it's kind of less so. In terms of KuCoin, again, fiat, really difficult to get out. Crypto transfers in and out are very good and very cheap for the most part, though, except for Ethereum, like I said. And FTX is really good for both. All of the cryptos that they support, they do a lot of basically like free transfers out, depending on how much FTT token that you have, and you get some other kind of low cost withdrawals. Actually, if you transfer out stable coins, they basically pay that for you. So that's kind of free. So FTX do really good in and out for fiat and crypto. In terms of the trading platforms and product offering for all four of these, they offer almost exactly the same thing. So I'll show you them now. They all offer something called TradingView, which is charting software. It's really industry standard and it's A1. So they all offer this. You can see the charting software right here. You have all of the indicators that you could ever want, technical indicators, day trading indicators. Obviously, you can change everything here, and you have your drawings on the left-hand side. They all have this same layout, and TradingView is the number one. Now, you can change the layout here, but you have TradingView charts on Binance. Now you can see FTX right here, a ton of different products. So we'll just go into the Bitcoin perpetuals right here, and you can see again on the left-hand side, this is TradingView. You can open this up and basically have all your drawings, all your comparisons, all of your indicators right here. You can change this around as you want. Same with Bybit as well. You have a derivatives account right here that you can use, a lot of supported currencies. They also have something called a USDC derivatives account. That's using US dollar coin, USDC, as collateral instead of the derivatives account, which is USDT. Not a massive difference, but they just support both. If you go ahead to trade right here, you can go to derivatives, see all of the different products, and I'll list them out in a second, but you can go to USDT perpetuals, come up here, and again, look, it's the same layout. You have TradingView here that you can obviously put exactly how you want, and then we'll look at KuCoin as well, same layout, TradingView, all of your indicators here, so it's a very similar layout. I'm just gonna go over some of the features right here so you can compare them. All of them, as you can see, basically offer the same type of trading except for FTX. CoinM and USDM. CoinM is when you use a coin as collateral to go and trade with, like Bitcoin, Ethereum. They support all of the top currencies. And USDM is US dollar margined, where you put a stable coin on account to leverage your trading. USDT, USDC is supported for most. Binance obviously support Binance, US dollar, BUSDs. It's the same sort of thing. So you can use that either way. With FTX, what they do actually is essentially split up your accounts. So you can create sub-accounts and then you can put an amount of collateral in there, and then they'll give you obviously the trading from that. So you can put basically anything in your account and they can kind of put them together as an amount of collateral. You can use FTT token as well. Now Binance, they do leverage tokens, which is essentially not trading futures, but it might be a token that's like 2x Bitcoin, which will move 2x what the actual price of Bitcoin does. Leverage tokens, a couple of the platforms do that. Bybit as well, FTX do that. Now, in terms of trading bots, KuCoin and Binance offer some trading bots. Now, KuCoin have a great trading bot platform, and you can use futures bots in there. So you can use grid trading, and Binance obviously do grid trading as well. This is where you set up basically an automated trading strategy to try and take advantage of volatility, and you can use that with futures on KuCoin and Binance. Now, Bybit don't do that, but you can have options, and they do something called copy trading, which is basically where you can see some other traders, and then obviously maybe copy their trades or copy their portfolios. So that's more like a social aspect. This is actually really new with Bybit as well, but I'll quickly show you this. Upcoming copy trading, you can try out as a follower, or you can actually become someone that other people copy. You can see the master traders, I think they get some rewards, but you can basically follow people's trades and basically learn a lot more, which I think is very good. It happens on some other platforms, but Bybit are doing this. I haven't seen it on any of the other platforms as yet. Something that KuCoin has though over the others is what's called an arbitrage portfolio. Now this is a very a strategy that's been around for a very long time and you haven't been able to do it as a retail trader. But arbitrage is where you can take advantage of differences in the futures market and the spot market of an asset. And KuCoin actually do this automated for you. So you can go to arbitrage portfolio, show you here arbitrage portfolio at the top. If you click on that, they'll basically do this as a trade for you. So again, this is more like a trading bot where you can take advantage and put on about 2-3 different trades all at once. And you need to do it at exactly the same price. So you need a bot to do this, and KuCoin have this set up. So you can learn more about that with some videos in the description. I'll go through some, I'll leave some videos there that go over kind of what arbitrage trading is with futures that explains it a little bit more, but KuCoin do that. I've traded on all of these platforms and they're all A1 quality, the kind of best in the industry. They're going to be very good. It just depends on where you live and what type of trader that you are, that you might go for one or the other. But I'll leave the links in the description if you want those sign-up bonuses and offers, or you just want to check out the platforms. You can sign up for free accounts and check them out before actually trading as well. Anyway, all of that information is in the description for you. I'm James with Money ZG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.